Morning traders, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So trend is still up, although yesterday we ended up with a bit of profit taking going into close. So we were rallying, continuing up, grinding up higher with the current trend, and then going into close we had a bit of a sell-off. So can't really see. But the only level we have here is this swing low here, and you can see some interaction with it there. And if I just run to the left, I don't think I'm going to see much. Let's try the weekly quickly. No, we're not going to see much here. Okay, so let's come back to the daily. And I want to go up one more so we can just see the structure. Okay, so there's nothing really to the left past this area here. So the nice thing about where we are now is your levels are going to be picked up on these fractals. Okay, so the swing low fractals is going to be your areas of resistance. Okay, once you're through those areas, you're going to come back and look at your levels as such and say, right, there is my support area there. But there is another one here, and that's right where price is at the moment, which is just that area there, which is that 3027 area. Okay, so let's just get down to some lower time frames. That'll tidy up the charts. So if we look at the 3 hour, we are moving to the upside. Okay, trend is up, a little bit volatile at the moment with these big swings up and big swings down, but we are pretty much in an uptrend. Now, this level that we're bouncing off here, which is 3027, we know it's a significant level. We have closed above it. Okay, we've gone above it. We've come back to test it. We've got a pin bar off it at the moment, but we're currently moving to the downside. But it is obviously the Asian session, so it's nothing that I want to get too excited about, and I'm definitely not looking for shorts, that's for sure. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for an opportunity to get long. Okay, so even if we do get through this level, I'll look to the next level to get long. I'm really not interested in shorting this thing at the moment. It could be some profit taking today being Friday and the end of the month as well. But, we've got to trade what we see. And right now, trend is up. We are forming higher lows and we're forming higher highs. Okay, this thing is trending pretty much in a range. Oh, sorry, a channel. Okay, so there you are. That's pretty much my view at the moment. It's actually quite short and sweet. And I can fine tune this level here. You know, this 1327, 1324, 1320 area. Just put another area in here. So all I'm doing is I'm picking up these inside fractals here, which will give me my zone. Okay, now there is another little area to the downside that we may need to pay attention to. And you can see all this congestion here. I want to get onto the pin bar. We have a fractal here, all this congestion here. So, and that would be bottom of this current channel as well. So that is also possible. So a move down into 30, well, let's just round that off to 3,000. So a retest of 3,000. We know 3,000 is significant. So I would think that the bulls would like a close, a weekly close above 3,000 to get some momentum going for the next week. And obviously the bears would like a close below 3,000 to try set something up for next week as well. So I think it's going to be a bit of a tug of war. So don't be too surprised if we see a range forming today. But if this channel holds, I think that is pretty bullish at the moment. Okay, last thing, and I'm just going to make this chart really messy at the moment. And that is, we have a bit of a wedge forming. Okay, so we have a wedge forming inside a channel, or the apex of the wedge at the bottom of the channel. I would say we're looking for longs. Okay, so I just want to put the ones that are significant at the moment. The rest can go. Okay, so that's the area we're looking for. We're looking for either a retest of 3,000, definitely would take us there a bit along there, and alternatively this 3,020, 3,027 area to see if we get any kind of traction here. Yeah, then I think that's pretty much the structure that I can see at the moment. And I would more than likely be down on the 15 minutes on this one. Just by the way, it's I see two tests at this level, high low, high formed, looking for a high low, break above there and a stop below, whatever structure falls. But anyway, that's not to do now. Whatever you do, don't take any trades now. Wait for the European session at least, and then look for the structure on the European session. Now, even if it starts rallying now, the point is trying to chase it. It will be volatile at the open, at the European Open, that is, and then you can get in on it. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's my view at the moment. I am definitely looking at longs. If we get a massive break below this area and we get a retest, even then I'm not actually sure whether I want to be short for Friday. Maybe look at it on Monday. But for me at the moment, the trend is up and I need to look for opportunities to be long. And that's just my strategy. And it works for me, so that's what we'll do. Anyway, hope it helps and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.